10 active recall strategies that will revolutionize your learning. Have you ever felt like you're wasting hours studying only to forget everything when it matters most? What if I told you there's a way to supercharge your learning, slash your study time in half, and actually remember what you've learned? Today, I'm going to reveal 10 groundbreaking active recall strategies that will completely transform how you learn and retain information. 1. Flashcards. Create flashcards with questions on one side and answers on the other. This method forces you to recall the information actively, which is more effective than simply recognizing the answer. 2. Question-based note-taking. While taking notes, formulate questions that relate to the material. This prompts you to think critically about the content during review sessions. 3. Summarization. After reading a section, summarize the content in your own words. This practice not only reinforces your understanding, but also helps identify areas that need further review. 4. Teach others. Explaining concepts to someone else, or even to an imaginary audience, can significantly enhance your understanding and retention. This method encourages you to clarify your thoughts and fill in knowledge gaps. 5. Self-testing. Create a list of questions based on your study material and test yourself regularly. This method highlights what you know and what requires more focus. 6. Mind mapping. Draw diagrams or mind maps to visualize connections between concepts. This technique caters to visual learners and aids in recalling complex information. 7. Use of whiteboards. Write down everything you can remember about a topic on a whiteboard without looking at your notes. This physical act of writing can help reinforce memory. 8. Creative engagement. Get creative with your study material. For instance, write a story or create a song that incorporates the information you need to remember. Engaging your creativity helps cement the knowledge in your memory. 9. Limit online search use. When you forget something, try to recall it before searching online. This practice encourages you to engage your memory actively and strengthens your recall skills. 10. Spaced repetition. Combine active recall with spaced repetition, where you revisit the material at increasing intervals. This method optimizes long-term retention and helps prevent cramming. See? Incorporating these strategies into your study routine can revolutionize your learning experience, making it more efficient and effective. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, folks.